Hey guys, welcome back. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you how to get plump, voluminous lips. This is the quickest tutorial ever because it's just so easy and it makes such a big difference. First product I recommend you use is any type of cream contouring product. I'm using the Kim Kardashian contour kit. I believe this is the dark one, and I'm going to be using the lighter shade because there is a light shade, which I'm almost done with, and then there is a darker shade, which I never really use because it's just too dark for me. I should have gotten the medium one. But anyways, you can use any cream contouring product. It doesn't have to be this. The reason why I like this one is because it's so easy to use. It's a pen form and it's small, so it's just very easy to use. It's almost like you're applying lipstick anyways. We're basically gonna use this product to contour our lips, and I'm gonna be just outlining my lips as if I was applying lip liner. So as you can see, already a huge difference just by outlining the top part of my lip. And then I'm also going to do the same to the bottom part. I already look like I got lip fillers done in like 2 seconds. I'm gonna use this little beauty blender to just like dab the contour onto my lips. You don't wanna be too abrasive because then you could just like mess up the whole look. So just like lightly press the product into your lip. As you can see, I didn't really apply the product all over my lip because we're gonna do that with a lip liner later on. Now that we have contoured, I'm gonna move on to lip liner. And again, you can use any lip liner that you'd like. I recommend using more of a nude brown kind of lip liner to get that natural voluminous look for your lips. The lip liner I'm using is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the nude one. It's called Iconic Nude, and I pretty much use this like every day. We are just going to outline our lips, and I'm also gonna fill my lips in with this lip liner. That is pretty much it for getting voluminous and kind of like the lip filler look without needing to get lip fillers. You just need to contour a little and do a little bit of overdrawing with your lip liner and you're pretty much done. A lot of times I go out just like this with just a lip liner. I feel like it looks very natural and it's like you're put together because you have lip liner on, but it almost looks natural because it's such a nude kind of color. But if you want, you can also add a lipstick on top of this. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna add a lipstick just to show you guys how much you can amplify the look a little bit more. And it is like a darker kind of brown color. So we are keeping it in the nude family. You apply the lipstick, feel free to go over where you kind of overdrew, but don't overdraw on top of that, just so that it blends kind of perfectly. And that's it. I feel like this was the quickest tutorial ever, but sometimes the smallest tricks make the biggest difference on your look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.